Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and now I'm the Water Filter eStore and the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. Today we're talking about how to clean and replace the injector in an Aquamaster high efficiency water softener just like this one. The first step is removing the lid. A clean injector is critical for a water softener to work properly. So the injector is inside here, and what that does, that creates the suction to draw the brine from the brine tank into the media tank for the water softener to regenerate. If that hole becomes clogged, it's not going to happen. So first thing we have to do is take the water softener out of service and move it over into bypass. Second thing we need to do is push the regen button and start it on a regen cycle. So you just need to hold down the button for about 5 seconds and it will start that cycle. It will release all the water pressure that's inside here. Once we've done that, then we can remove the injector cap by loosening that up and unscrew that. Now inside the cap you'll see an O-ring, so just be careful you don't drop it inside the brine tank when you pull that out. So you just set that aside. And then inside you'll see the injector, and it has a little rib on the left hand side at the 9 o'clock position, so you can pull that out. So when you pull that out in the injector nozzle, you'll see there's a hole in the middle, so just make sure that you can insert a wooden toothpick like this one inside to clean that out. Now don't use a paper clip, a metal paper clip, or any kind of metal drill or anything like that, because you may change the size of that hole or you may elongate the hole. So once we've cleaned that, we can set that aside. So then the injector throat is inside here, and there's a hole in the middle. So again, you need to put that wooden toothpick in there to clean out that hole, clean out the debris. Now if you can't get that toothpick inside there to clean out that debris, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to replace the throat. You can use a wood screw like this one, or you can use a drywall screw, and then all you're going to do is you're going to thread it into the throat until it catches. Once it catches, then you can just use that to pull out the throat, and you'd have to throw it away at this point because once you've removed it. So then you'd grab the new throat, you'd push it inside and then push it all the way in so it's flush, and then you'd have cleaned the injector nozzle by now. You can use CLR or something like that to clean it up, and then this rib here has to go at the 9 o'clock position. Put that in there, and then you put the cap back on, make sure the O-ring's inside, and you can tighten that up. So it needs to be a little bit more than hand tight for it to create a watertight seal, but you don't have to tighten it much more than that. So you can use your pliers, tighten it up. That, great. Once you finish doing that, then you could press the regen button, get it back to its home position. Once you get it back to its home position, then you can open up the bypass, check for leaks, and you're done. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified about all the new videos that become available on this channel. If you'd like some more information, go to our websites, either thewaterstoremidland.com or thewaterfiltereStore.com. And again, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.